Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing your new number and confirming the app is updated. This prevents verification errors. Once done, open Wechat and tap Me, then Settings, then Account Security. This is where phone bindings live. Make sure you are logged into the correct account because changing a number affects login and friend recovery. If you previously used another verification method, note it. The app may ask for identity verification. Now proceed to the phone section to begin the change process. You'll now verify identity. Follow the change phone flow and confirm either the current bound number or complete identity verification with ID if you lost access. Next, enter your new number in international format. For example, +1 555 123 4567 and request the SMS code. Wait for the code and input it promptly. Make sure to allow required permissions, because Wechat sometimes asks to verify via a friend check-in if automated verification fails. This middle step connects your new number to the account. You finish by confirming the change and observing the success notice. Then log out and log back in to ensure the new number is bound and receives notifications. If SMS verification fails, make sure the number can receive international SMS and try friend verification. Wechat can ask friends to confirm your identity or submit identity documents through support. Finally, add a backup method, such as a linked device or email, to avoid future lockouts. That single troubleshooting move saves a lot of time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.